Assalamu alaikum everyone. In today's lecture, I will show you how to count any digit sum by Java. So, for example, if a given number is 1, 2, 3, 4, it will count like this: 1, 2, 3, 4 equal to 10. So now I will show the code. So first of all, I take integer n. It means n is given number. Now sum equal to 0. So look at the condition: while n not equal to 0, or you can use n greater than 0, and sum equal to sum plus n remainder 10, n equal to n by 10. So now, for example, the given number is 1, 2, 3, 4. It will work like this. Here sum equal to 0, 0 plus n by 10, n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, n remainder 10. Here n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. So the remainder will be 4, and the integer part will be 1, 2, 3. So again, n equal to 1, 2, 3, n will go there. So again n will go there. So again sum will be 4 plus remainder of 1, 2, 3 is 3. So division of n is 12. So if you again pass n there, so the remainder will be 7 plus 3, and the division will be 4. So the 4 will no more work here. So the answer equal to 10. So if I run the program, that's the number is 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can see the output is 10. So if I run again and I try another number, and I want to try another number like 987, yeah, the sum is 24. So that's our today's video. If you face any kind of problem, don't be shy to comment us. Thank you so much everyone. Inshallah we'll come with a new video. Thank you so much.